Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be doing Gigachad 1 from VulnHub. I rated this box about a solid easy, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so to get started, I'm actually going to open my terminals here. Let's first start by splitting these. So I'm going to run a net discover minus r 10.0.0.1 for my gateway, minus 24, so it scans the whole network, and then minus I for my interface. You can IP address 10.0.0.154. Let me just zoom out. So we'll do an mmap scan on here. We'll do minus SC, minus SV. We'll scan all ports on here. I'll do a banner grab so I don't have to wait for the ports to be open. We do see that port 80 is open for HTTP. So I'm just going to go to preferences, clear my history. So let's visit the IP address. We do see that we get to this page right here. We can do Control U to read the source code. Looking down here, we do get to hashes. We can throw these into a hash identifier to see what kind of hashes there are. So we'll just do hash identifier. And we do see that's this SHA-1. We can throw the other hash in there. And we do see that's this SHA-1, right? So we could use rocku.txt to crack this. Let me show you how to use this using rocku.txt. So if you don't want to use rocku.txt, you can use John to crack this. So we'll just go under VulnHub. We'll do mkdir for I'll just name this Chad. So you can just vi into a file called hashes.txt. We'll place the first one in there and also paste the second one in there. So you can right quit out of that. So now we do have our hashes.txt, right? You can use John for this. We'll use John minus word list is equal to user share word list rocku.txt hashes.txt. So now let's go back and just put that in. So you can do just John hashes minus show, and we do see that we have a pass one's cracked as virgin, right? Usually the best way to do this instead of cracking this would be I think I misspelled this hash, but the best way would go to crack station. And these are already stored in a database, so that means they're already cracked. So, and they already have the hash for the string, right? So you can go to here, crack hashes, and you do see that we get a virgin and also this right here, right? But you could use John, right? Let me just delete this. Right quit this, run this again, and does show same thing. It just shows the hash, right? Minus show, and just show the same thing from crack station, right? So you can clear this. We do have port 21 for FTP, so we can just do FTP and the IP address 10.0.0.154. Let's see if we can log in as anonymous. We can. We do have something called chat info. So I'm gonna do wget minus r FTP for the protocol 10.0.0.154. So now we do have a new directory. We can cat our chat info. We do see that username is Chad. We can use this to either run a rocku.txt and try brute forcing. We can go to drippingchad.png. So let's try to go in there. And we just see that we have this picture here, right? So let's go to reverse, Google reverse images, or just Google images actually. So we'll get this, we'll just clear this, we'll wget this picture. We can go to images, upload an image. We can go to home for my VulnHub Chad. And we do have a dripping Chad PNG. And look at this, we do see that we have Maiden's Tower here. So that must be the password. Let's open a text editor. Open this. So this can be either Maiden's Tower like that. Let's actually just create a simple brute.py. So we'll VI into wordlist.txt. We either have Maiden's Tower with a capital M. We can have Maiden's Tower with capital T. Or Maiden's Tower like that, right? Or then we can either switch it up as Maiden's Tower. So we can just clear this. We do have wordlist.txt and also chat info. So let's run a hydra -l for chat. We'll do -p for the word list. We're going to be using our wordlist.txt. We do SSH for the protocol, 154 IP, and also port 22. We can do hydra. And we do get launch successful as Maiden's Tower, right? So now let's try to SSH into this. So we'll do SSH for Chad at 10.0.0.154. You can say yes. And now we do have launch successful as Chad, right? So let's cat our user.txt. And there's our first flag. So let's try to just copy this and put this in our leaf editor. We have our user.txt and there's our 1 out of 2 flag, right? So look at this. Let me just close this out. Let me just clear my terminal. Next thing that we're going to be exploiting is the SUID bid set. So we'll do SUID. We'll do cheat sheet. This is the one I usually use. I just do Control F and do SUID. We have SUID right here for chmod 400. Let's run this on here. And look at this, we can actually view that we have a privesc for SNL. So we can just easily go to SNL exploit db. And we find this exploit right here, right? So we'll just view the raw data. I'm gonna go under my /temp, or we'll go under /dev shm. Clear this. We'll just wget this out. We can just copy this. And we'll do -o for the output. We'll just name this exploit .sh. So more into exploit.sh, and now we do have the exploit, right? So we want this to be ran by root, so we'll do a chmod 777 as exploit.sh. We'll do a chmod +x for exploit.sh. Now let's start running our exploit.sh. I think we should just let's remove this. Okay, so let's actually try by using a different exploit. Let's look for 2017. Let's go to this one right here. Let's get the raw data from here. We'll remove the exploit.sh. We'll wget the exploit.sh. We'll do 777 for exploit.sh. Exploit it. Okay, so after some timing, after running the scripts around 4 to 5 times, You see that we are root now, so now we can check our ID. We are root. Now we can go to our seeding to root, and we can cat our root.txt, right? And there is our root flag. Well guys, that's pretty much in the video. Remember, drop that like, subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.